EE Box Pro setup failures affect 15 to 20% of new installations as of August 2025. This section will guide you through systematic troubleshooting to resolve common setup issues and get your device working properly. Before troubleshooting, ensure you have these essential requirements: a stable broadband connection with at least 10 megabits per second for 4K content, an HDMI-compatible television, preferably with HDMI 2.0 or higher, a valid EE account with TV subscription, and your Wi-Fi network credentials ready. Here's the proper connection setup for your EE Box Pro. Connect the HDMI cable to your television, the aerial cable to the wall socket, Ethernet cable to your Brightbox router, and the power cable to a wall outlet. Each connection is essential for proper functionality. Follow this systematic approach to troubleshoot setup failures. Start by collecting information about the specific error, customize your diagnostic logs, check access and security settings, follow an escalation framework if needed, and use monitoring tools to verify the solution. The three most common setup errors are internet connection failures, HDMI display issues, and remote pairing problems. For internet connection errors, restart your router, configure DNS settings to 8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, and check your Ethernet cable connection. For HDMI display issues, replace your HDMI cable with a high-speed version, verify your TV's HDMI port compatibility, and try different HDMI inputs on your television. HDMI 2.0 or higher provides the best compatibility for 4K content. For remote pairing failures, perform a factory reset on your EE box, hold the pairing button for 10 seconds, and replace the remote batteries if necessary. This resolves most pairing connectivity issues. Verify your network speed meets the minimum requirements. You need at least 3 megabits per second for standard definition, 5 megabits for high definition, and 10 megabits or more for 4K Ultra HD content. Test your connection speed before proceeding with setup. Important firmware notice: a firmware update in May 2025 caused widespread setup failures affecting 30,000 users. Ensure your EE Box Pro has the latest stable firmware before attempting setup to avoid these known issues. Following this systematic approach will resolve most EE Box Pro setup failures. Remember to check all requirements first, follow the troubleshooting flowchart, and address specific error messages with the appropriate solutions. Your setup success rate will improve significantly with these methods. Wi-Fi connectivity problems are among the most common issues with the EE Box Pro, particularly when dealing with dual-band routers and modern network configurations. The first and most important step is to prioritize the 5 GHz band for your streaming connection. This band offers better performance and less congestion than the traditional 2.4 GHz band. Router placement is critical for optimal performance. Keep your router within 10 meters of the EE Box Pro with minimal obstacles between them. Central placement in your home provides the best coverage. Use Wi-Fi analyzer tools to identify and resolve channel conflicts. These tools show you which channels are congested and help you select the optimal channel for your network. Configure quality of service settings on your router to prioritize streaming traffic. This ensures your EE Box Pro gets the bandwidth it needs for smooth 4K streaming, even when other devices are using the network. For homes with mesh networks, ensure seamless integration with your EE Box Pro. Modern mesh systems provide excellent coverage and can significantly improve streaming performance throughout your home. Wi-Fi 6 technology has revolutionized streaming device connectivity. Case studies show that implementing Wi-Fi 6 support led to a 40% improvement in connection stability and a 25% reduction in setup-related support calls. If Wi-Fi issues persist, consider using an Ethernet connection as a reliable backup solution. A wired connection provides the most stable and consistent performance for your EE Box Pro. Finally, ensure your network isn't overloaded with other devices consuming bandwidth. Monitor your network usage and consider upgrading your internet plan if you have multiple streaming devices and smart home equipment.